Hi everybody, welcome to Geekbuying channel. Xiaomi has finally launched the long-anticipated Redmi K30 smartphone. In this video, we are gonna take a quick look of the 4G version. For the 5G version, the Redmi K30 debuts the recently announced Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset, which comes with an integrated 5G modem. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are a Mi fan, then the unboxing couldn't be unfamiliar to you. The box has 3 layers. The first layer contains some paperwork, a simple silicone case, etc. The second layer is the phone. We'll get to that later. The bottom is the charger and cable. The 4G version supports 27-watt fast charge, while the 5G version supports up to 30-watt. Now move to the phone. The Redmi K30 series comes in 4 colorways, namely Deep Sea Light, Time Monologue, Flower Shadow, and Purple Jade Fantasy. There are thin bezels surrounding the display. With the exception of a slightly thicker chin, a coin slot-shaped quad-camera housing rests at the back of the device, giving the phone its distinctive looks. Just like the OnePlus 7T, the back of the phone has a frosted glass finish. The 5G variant of the Redmi K30 comes with a distinguishable 5G logo under the primary camera setup. This time around, Xiaomi has ditched the pop-up mechanism in favor of a display cutout up front. A pill-shaped housing on the screen right corner encases the dual selfie camera setup. At the bottom of the device, you get a USB-C port for fast wired charging. There's a speaker grill right next to the USB-C port. It's also great to see Xiaomi retaining the precious 3.5mm headphone jack on the device. The volume buttons rest on the right edge of the phone. The fingerprint sensor is integrated with a power button situated next to the volume keys. Overall, the design of the Redmi K30 looks pretty promising. The Redmi K30 4G version features Snapdragon 730G. The G stands for gaming. From our PUBG test, though we set the frame and graphics to the highest, it still generates a smooth gaming experience. No lag, not so much heat. We love that. The Full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixels display of the phone measures 6.67 inches compared to the K20's 6.39-inch screen. It has a 20:9 aspect ratio and 120 Hz refresh rate. Coming to the camera. For 5G version, the phone features a 64-megapixel plus 8-megapixel 120-degree wide angle plus 2-megapixel plus 5-megapixel macro setup at the back. For the 4G version, the only difference is the quaternary comes in 2 megapixels. On the front is a 20-megapixel shooter with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The camera features Memoji's RAW format support, Super Night Scene Mode, and other AI-based features. The battery capacity is set at 4,500 mAh. For 5G version, there's 30-watt fast charging on board, which, Xiaomi claims, can charge the device from 0% to 100% in 1 hour. For the price and availability of the Redmi K30 4G and 5G version, both are available in 4 RAM and storage variants, while the original price of the Redmi K30 5G starts at $284 for the 6GB plus 64GB model, making it the cheapest 5G phone around. For more, please check out the link in the description. So what do you think of the new Redmi K30 4G and 5G? Is it the 5G smartphone you want to buy in 2020? Drop us a line or two in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.